Most people trade meme coins to make money, but I launched them instead, and that's why my entire Phantom wallet has $7.2 million. Let me show you how this strategy works step by step. Now there's a reason why I stopped trading and I started launching. Now I used to chase every new coin thinking I'd made the perfect entry and I was buying every single trending coin. But guess what happened, bro? Every single time I bought inside a meme coin, well, I got completely dumped on, just like this coin right here. Basically, I would buy in and after a couple minutes, boom, the dev would take all my money. And that's why I despise trading and I started launching, because that's when I realized something important. The people making real money in this space are not the traders. They're actually the launchers, okay? The people deving and orchestrating these coins are way more profitable and they're way more wealthier than the traders. Because when you launch, you control everything. You control the narrative, the supply, and the chart. And guess what, bro? Deving meme coins costs literally $0, okay? It's completely free to dev a meme coin on the blockchain, okay? I will even do a quick example. But if you stay as a trader, bro, the losses will never stop. And that's exactly why I'm making this video, because I will be showing you guys exactly how to make your very first meme coin and then potentially flip $0 into like 1.5k or something and just rinse and repeat this method. But yeah, bro, keep watching. Now obviously, bro, everything into this video is for educational purposes only. None of this is financial advice, so just learn the method but do not use it. Now where do you exactly make your meme coin? Now most beginner devs will make their meme coin on Pump.Fun, but let me tell you something that's gonna change everything. Pump.Fun is completely overcrowded. It does not work in 2025, bro. You just have to drop it. There's too many coins dropping all at once and most coins are just dead on arrival. That's why I stopped launching on Pump.Fun and I went the easy route. Anyways, on Pump.Fun, bro, you have to reach a $85,000 market cap for your coin to bond onto the Raydium DEX, bro. That takes too much time, too much effort, and too much luck. And that's exactly why I stopped wasting my time on this launchpad, because bro, you don't control your own liquidity and your coin will become dead from the start. And that's exactly why I use create coins.io, because this launchpad, bro, changes everything. Your token launches directly onto the Raydium DEX, which will be immediately fucking graduated and it will become tradable on Raydium in seconds, okay? You know what that means? Your coin will be viewed to tens and even hundreds of thousands of potential traders to buy your meme coin, and that's exactly why create coins.io is so heavily gatekept, okay? You will get a shit ton of visibility, more buyers, and a much cleaner launch. Now you've got two different ways to make a meme coin on chain. The first way is to create a new token from scratch by inventing a name, symbol, and image. So go on X and look for something trending. It could be some type of news, some type of joke, something trending, just anything for your meme coin. For example, the Fed just injected $4 billion into the markets. That's a really bullish signal for Bitcoin, right? Which could be a narrative, right? Also, Elon Musk tweets do really well because they get millions of views. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you enjoy a wonderful meal. That's good too. Once you have a good narrative, bro, come back to createcoins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your coin is custom created. But the second method, bro, is my favorite method and the most profitable by far in 2025, and that's by copying trending coins, okay? Now, all of these coins already have high and traffic. They are proven to attract buyers. Now copying them gives you instant buyers and stronger profit potential the moment you launch. That's why I love copying coins and that's why it's the best method right now. I will do an example, okay? Just keep watching. Okay, let's stop talking and actually launch this coin right now. I want you to see how quick the whole thing really is. So, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, then click on refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. In general, all of these coins will work. I will copy the faggot coin. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago, so it looks good. Click on create coin, then ignore the block and go through it. Proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. Well, copied, it's the same fucking thing. Boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's all legit. It is on the blockchain. Everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is easy. We're adding liquidity so your token instantly becomes tradable on Raydium the second it becomes created. Now for the amount token A, just make sure you click on 90%. That is gonna drop 900 million tokens, and you're basically keeping 10% of the supply, and you're making money off of the fees. Right under is for the amount token B. This is basically your first actual buy inside your own coin. You're not spending money permanently. Your SO is just being used for the first buy. 0.3 SO is the minimum, and when you pull out the liquidity later, you get every single bit of it right back inside your Phantom wallet. I'm going to put 0.35 SO, just a bit more to be safe. Click on create pool, and then obviously, bro, ignore the block, proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. And just like that, bro, your pool is created. Click on refresh, scroll down, and boom, the faggot coin is on live. Our profits are at $0. Now check this. If you click on the refresh button right here for a second time, now we're up $140 because people are now buying our coin, okay? Click on view on Photon or Axum or Nova to view your meme coin or the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin. Let's see, bro. Come on now. Come on. And now the fucking coin is ready. It is live. We are getting buyers and sellers. The transactions are coming in. The chart is a bit dumping, but do not worry, bro. More people are going to start seeing the coin and buying in. That is why I love deving meme coins, because this coin costed us $0 to create, and we are getting a shit ton of transactions. No matter what, if it's a sell or a buy, it's still proof of concept, right? Come on, pump. 1.1k market cap. This is cooked, bro. Why are we getting 44 cents buy and yo, hello, yo, can it pump, bro? Can the coin fucking pump? Yes, sir, bro. $70. Come on. I want more buyers. Come on. Let's go. $50. Okay, guys. I'm gonna give this coin a bit of time for it to pump, and I will be right back. So enjoy the show. Okay guys, the coin is now hella pumped. We are pushing the 4,000s in market cap. The liquidity is above $1,500 and everything looks good. We just made $100 right here. Now, if you want to make some money, bro, come back to createcoins.io. And obviously, bro, make sure you click on the refresh button. And now, as you guys can see, we're up $1,700. Now, click on the minus button, 100% to remove everything. Remove the fucking coin! Ah! And obviously, bro, ignore the block. Proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you get meme coins and make some quick bread. Now, obviously, it's all for educational purposes only, but if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that I just received $1,700 straight inside my Phantom wallet. Everything is legit, bro. Everything is there. Let's fucking go. You guys gotta tap in. If you have any questions, bro, DM me at Jay.crypto or GP Flips on X, bro. I will respond to everybody. It's actually insane.